The peel of bottle gourd has lot of nutrients and can be easily converted into a delicious chutney that goes well with rice, idli or dosa. Hi, welcome to Ambika Shitty's kitchen. Today let's make an easy and healthy recipe of bottle gourd peel chutney. Here I've taken one bottle gourd. This is washed well. This is also called as lauki. We are going to remove the skin, or we are using a peeler. We are going to peel the bottle gourd. The peels of bottle gourd are rich in nutrients, they are rich in fiber. In fact, they help in digestion, and when consumed or taken regularly, they also help in weight loss. Now I have removed the skin out of bottle gourd. Using a knife, I am going to roughly chop the skin of bottle gourd so that it becomes easier to roast them in pan. When added to the pan, it becomes easier to roast when chopped roughly. So this is done. We'll keep this aside. Now we are going to take a pan, heat 1 teaspoon of oil in it. Once oil is heated well, we are going to add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. And we are going to roast it on low flame until they turn light brown in color. And then we are going to add the chopped lauki skin or the peels of bottle gourd. Along with this, we are also going to add green chilies. You can make it spicy depending on your spice preference. Here I have taken 3 green chilies. We'll just break the chilies into 2 parts and we are going to stir fry them on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. The more you stir fry the peels and green chilies, the tasty the chutney will be. And here I have not added onion. If you want, you can add onion at this stage. After stir frying for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame, I have added quarter lime size tamarind and half cup of fresh and grated coconut. We are going to roast it again for 1 or 2 minutes and then we'll let it cool completely before transferring it into a grinding jar. This is a very simple yet a very healthy chutney recipe. You must try this. I have added half teaspoon of salt here and also water as required to grind. We are going to grind it into a very fine paste. The chutney is ready. You can have it as it is or you can add a tadka at the end. For tadka, we need to heat 1 tablespoon of oil and then we add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, 5 to 6 curry leaves and 1 broken dry red chili. And if at all you are going to use garlic, you can add crushed garlic here, fry them well and then add to the chutney. And this is a completely onion and garlic free chutney. However, you can add onion and garlic to enhance the taste. The chutney is ready. This goes well with rice, idli as well as dosa. Please do try this recipe. I'll be back with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, you take care of yourself. Be happy, stay healthy. Bye.